Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. We are shopping Kirkland's Fall, another trip there. They have so much more out this time. If you missed the first video, I'll link it down below and in the end in the playlist. I have a nice big fall playlist that'll help get you ready for fall or plan ahead. I love the look of these faux wicker pumpkins, 30 for the larger one, 2-pack online for 45. I love the shade of that brown. 15 for these. They actually match, the florals match the colors of the pumpkins. So if you get the pumpkin set and one of the florals and pair them together, that would be cute. This is 90, $30 for this. That would be cute on your counter if it fits under your cabinets. $40. 100 for these LED metal stacking pumpkins. Those light up. 13. Here's a look at what is filling the shelves. This pillow is 40. 25 for this one. The back of it is the plaid, really pretty plaid. I like this pattern a lot. That's 35. The scalloped edging, 30 for this one. Plaid on the back of that as well. 35. Do you guys buy new fall pillows each year? Do you reuse the ones you have? 40 for this one. I love that one. That would look really pretty on a bench, an entryway bench. 35. That says thankful on the tag. This one's 35 as well. 30 for this one. That would look cute on a bench too. 40 for the Hello Fall and the one next to it. 13 for these pumpkins. They have a lot of things with the initials on it, which is nice. 30 for these, they light up. I actually have one of those for many years ago that we still have and use. $10 for the smaller white ones. $40 for these ones. 17 for the doormats. The turkey's really cute. This one looks more summery to me than fall. I like that one. That would be really cute with the layering rugs underneath of them for your front porch. They have the ones with the monograms on it. 25 for this large welcome one. $20 for the faux book stack. That does not open up. It's just, just a faux book stack. These white pumpkins are 40. 15 for this pumpkin. Very pretty pattern. That would look cute on the faux book stack. 15 for this tapered candle holder. That pumpkin is 15 as well. 25 for each of these. Those were a little far away, but I like the patterns on the pumpkin. 70 for this. That seems a little pricey. That wasn't even that large, but it is cute. 35 for this acorn. That would look really cute on the floor next to a basket of like a fall blanket and a fall pillow. Maybe some pumpkins in it. That would be cute down there. The smaller pumpkin was also 35. These ones are 40. And the turkey here is really cute. That's 40. 15 for these little ghosts. They were next to the fall stuff here, so I included it. $50. 25 and 20 for those. Those would be really cute paired together. The green one is really pretty too. You could pair them together on a shelf. Here is a look at the display. These are 13 for a 3-pack. I really like those colors. 25 for these ones. There they are open. The glazing on them is really pretty and glossy. I love the shape of them. These are really nice. I think it's really cute how they have it all set up, just piled together in baskets and crates. But that would get very expensive. If you do try to do that, you could always use something under the pumpkins to prop it up, like a blanket or something, so you don't have to use so many. Or there's some great DIYs where you could make these something similar to this at home. And then you could also use the patterns and colors that match your theme in your house too easier if you do it yourself. $40 for that. I need some fall artwork for sure. I don't really have any. These are 10. I love those. I was still using signs that I used to make. I used to make the wooden signs. $8 for these. I love this one, 17. Very pretty. I think I would love to try to get that. 17 for this one as well. That one has some green in it, some muted green. That really pretty sagey color. $10. Those are really pretty too. They have some really pretty florals. 2 different colors there. This very large vase that they have with the florals in it is 100. 800 for that. Their furniture is really nice. Very well made, but I would definitely wait for a sale for it. $7 for the foaming hand soaps and the room sprays. $15 for the bowl filler. These candles are $13. Here are the scents. We kind of went over these in my last video, but I don't think there was as many out, so I wanted to do it again. And they have a lot of different candle options. $4 for the wax melts. $13 for that large one. $8 for the medium. And $6 for the small. Those Halloween candles were shown in my short. That is really cute. I love that. That's $30. They have some different sconces that you could pick from. They all range from around $30 to $35 each. This one's $35, so is the one behind it. And that one as well. Those are really nice. I do love getting the fall candles and the wax melts and lighting the candle and having the wax going. $40 for that. That's really pretty. These ones are $20. Those are $60. $40. I'm hoping you guys are enjoying the music in the background. $20. I've had a couple suggestions to try some music, so I'm giving it a try. Hope you guys like it. Please let me know what you think down below. That's $30. $40 for the olive branch arrangement. $50. This is also $50. I wanted to show you up close that they just poke these florals into the pumpkin. So if you get a pumpkin, you can make your own. But these are very pretty. $50 for this one too. It comes in orange as well. $30. Here's some more really pretty candles. I love the nice selection that they give. Just showing you guys all the scents so you can see if there's one that you want. Maybe one of the jars match your aesthetic nicely. These are $13. Pumpkin pie and pecan pie. This is $4. I actually really wanted to get that, and I totally forgot while I was doing this video. $20 for those. Those are really pretty. The scents are on the tags. They're $20 for that. If I got those candles, though, I don't think I'd want to light them because they're so pretty. These are $15. And I like to save my jars and reuse them. $17 for that. That's really nice. You could use these for trays. $40 for that. And the one here with the handle. $13 for those glasses. $10. Those are pretty. $6. Here is the blue version for $40. Looks really nice on that chair. If you guys wanted that chair, it's $600. $15 and $25 for those pumpkins. I'm wondering if the brown one will have a bigger one too. $13 for those that blue and white. We seen the wooden one earlier. $50. Lots of really pretty blue fall decor if you guys like to do the blues. $3 for that scent. That's the only fall scent pack that I've seen so far. Some nice pillows here. You could use those for any time of the year. $40. $40. $35. That's really pretty. I like that. These candles are nice too. I'm sorry there's a lot of candles. I just want to show you guys all of the options they have. $30 for that. $20 for those. This is $150. $50 for the larger and $30 for the smaller. Those light up. $17 and $15 for these frames, 5x7 and a 4x6, $60 for that large bowl. Those were R100 up there. $13 for these. I like those. Those are really pretty. $35 for that tote bag. $8. Nice blue dining set. Well, you have to buy each individual piece, but very pretty. Do you guys like to decorate with the blue for fall? $8 for the plate. Nice pretty pattern. $8 for the bowl. And $9 for the larger plate. $700 for the table if you were wondering. $40, 4-pack of placemats. These fall dish towels, you get a 4-pack for $20. That's all that I've seen really so far for dish towels, but I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope the music wasn't too low or too loud. I'm going to try and get that right. I'd love to know what you guys think though. Do you like the music? Would you rather have it without it? These wreaths were shown in my previous video. I will link that in the playlist. I will also be doing a crafting video coming up soon within the next couple weeks. Please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Thank you all so much for watching. Hope you have a wonderful day. See you next time.